Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best budget 3D printers.
Starting at number 5.
Anycubic Photon M3. With its excellent 4K plus prints, easy setup and large build volume, the Anycubic Photon M3 easily takes the crown as the best entry-level resin 3D printer we have reviewed. What sets the Photon M3 apart from its competitors is its wide 163 by 102 by 180 mm build plate, which allows it to produce larger models in very fine detail. In our testing, we printed Louise Driggers's Unicorn of Darkness and came out with impressive results. The 180 mm tall model took over 10 hours to finish, but the detailing on the unicorn's horn and ornate mane was so clear and sharp. The M3 includes an etched build plate that holds models very well during printing and lets you remove them easily when done. It also comes with handy safety features such as a pour spout for the metal vat and a screen protector for the LED glass to keep the machine safe from accidental dripping. Originally sold at $300, it is now available for $70 less than MSRP. This makes it an even more attractive and affordable choice as budget high-resolution resin 3D printer.
Coming at number 4.
Anycubic Photon Mono. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 gets our nod as the best startup printer for anyone who wants to get into resin 3D printing without breaking the bank. Designed specifically for first-time resin users, this printer comes mostly assembled for easy setup, user-friendly and includes an anti-scratch film screen protection. It is lightweight and small for easy storage when not in use. But despite its compact size, the Photon Mono 2 features a bigger build volume than its Photon Mono cousins. We were able to fit 6 pre-supported miniatures on the build plate at once during our tests. The Photon Mono 2 is a great printer for miniature models and small builds. It also comes with its own custom slicer, the Photon Workshop V3. Priced at $209, this machine is a solid and affordable option if you are looking to get started with resin 3D printing.
At number 3.
Creality Ender 3. The Creality Ender 3 V3KE is one of the most affordable high-speed printers available with Clipper enabled. It is currently on sale for $279, which is $40 less than our previous fast budget pick, the Sovol SV07. This makes the ideal choice for makers who are looking for fast printing on a limited budget. The KE is a step-up version of Ender V3 SA. Here are some of its notable features. Open source platform provides flexibility, Wi-Fi connectivity for PC and mobile notifications and controls, has K1-based hot end capable of printing using a wide variety of filaments, supports high-speed printing with a maximum speed of 500 mm per second and acceleration of 8000 mm/s2. For the most part, our test prints came out smooth and clean. However, some prints, like the one for the Maker's Muse Clearance Castle, needed some tuning to fix minor issues. If you have the budget or want an even faster machine with more premium features, consider upgrading to the Creality CR10SA, https://www.toms-hardware.com/3d-printing/seriality-cr10-se-review, currently on sale for $399.
Number 2 of my list.
Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. The Neptune 4 Pro is a great machine for new makers who are thinking of diving into 3D printing or even as an additional printer for your business. With a mid-size build volume of 225 by 225 by 265 mm, you can build and explore printing various neat projects. In our print tests, we found it can easily handle the printing of detailed models like the Sandcastle by Kijai or even ones with compliant mechanisms like the Blaster by BYU_CMR. The Neptune 4 Pro requires some assembly, but it's not too complicated for a novice to handle. Similar to most bed slingers, it just takes a few easy steps, screwing a few bolts and connecting wires, and the unit is ready for printing. As an upgrade to the Neptune 3 Pro, this model is quite similar to its predecessor at first glance, but it is a better value for its high-speed performance, cooling capability, and sub-$300 pricing.
And number 1.
Creality Ender 3. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is simply the best budget FDM 3D printer you can buy today. It's an ideal beginner-friendly machine that is packed with deluxe features and retails at an affordable $199. The Ender 3 V3 SE is easy to use as it comes almost fully assembled and only took us 15 minutes to build before we were ready to get printing. Creality includes a printed manual to guide you through the building process as well as installing or changing filaments. Video instructions are also available online for your convenience. With a maximum speed of 250 mm per second, the V3 SA may not be among the fastest 3D printers around today, but it's faster than the Anycubic Cobra Neo, our previous best budget pick, which had a max speed of 60 mm per second. Our tests turned out clean prints, some with tiny wisps like with the Dom Sculpt's Chibi Totoro. It's also smaller than the Cobra Neo, so it takes up less space, but it has the same build volume, 220 by 220 by 250 mm, and has a slightly bigger LED interface with knob controls. Sadly, it does not have a touch screen or Wi-Fi support. It does have CR Touch for auto bed leveling and a Sprite Direct Drive, which are features reserved for Creality's premium models like the S1.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.